Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing. And yes, this is the OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 edition with the pins. So I want to unbox this. This is not really about the tech specs or anything. Please watch my OnePlus 8T unboxing video up here to get all the details. I will put the tech specs of the phone right here, right now, so you know what to expect. This is a phone that's sold in China right now only, and it's really cool because it's got a slightly different design than the standard OnePlus 8T. So let's get started. Let's pull this over and have a look at the back. As you can see here, it has some stuff, and I'm just going to pull this out so we can get to the meat of things. That's really cool. You'll never know the truth until the phone rings. All right. So we've got a couple of things in here. We've got a box and a box. So first, the phone, and then these pins, shall we? All right, let's get started. So the box looks like this. It's in here. I love that there's a map here. Pretty cool. I haven't played the game, but I assume this is a map of the city. All right, so then we got the phone here. And as you can see, OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition. On both sides, yellow on the back. Cyberpunk 2077 OnePlus. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. Nothing inside. Got a divider. We got another divider for the charger. This is a 65 watt fast charger. It has a Cyberpunk 2077 logo and the OnePlus logo, USB Type-C. How cool is that? Then we've got the phone itself. And look at this thing. Wow. So let's take a look at that in a moment. We also have a charging cord. Standard OnePlus, too bad that's not yellow. USB-C to USB-C. For the 65 watt support. And that's it for this side. And let's check out what's in here, because I'm sure there's some good stuff in here too. Yes, some stickers. Fortunately, they seem to be slightly damaged, but here you get some OnePlus stickers, and you get a welcome to Night City letter. Ooh, look at that. OnePlus has been doing these letters for a while. Clearly this has been opened before. And of course, a SIM removal tool. There's the manual, or the first setup guide. Pretty cool. Wow, look at that. That is really, really neat. There and yeah, very, very cool. Now at the bottom here, there's another layer, as you can see. And this has a bunch more stuff. Open. We get a case. How cool is that? And then we get another pin here. Night City OnePlus. It's a pin. Awesome. All right. So now the other box has a bunch more pins on it. So let's take a look at that. So here they are. I'm not going to take them out, but I'm going to show them to you slowly here on video. This one, for example, is got a chain attached to the other one. It's pretty cool. So is this one, right? And then let's have a look at the phone then. So this is just a OnePlus 8T with a paint job. As you can see, it's got glass back, but with two-tone shiny matte with some cool little pattern on it. And then it's got this massive camera pod. Normally the camera pod is like this, just this size. So you can see here with a 48 megapixel main sensor. Again, I'm not going to go through the specs. 2077, how cool is that? And then Cyberpunk down here. Yellow accents all around. Yellow accent here. This is super cool. Let's fire it up, shall we? So this is, as I said, a standard OnePlus 8T with high-end specs, like maybe more RAM and storage. And it does, oh, look at this cool boot screen. It says never settle, and there you go. You can set it up. And it makes a cool Cyberpunk 2077 sound. I'm not going to set this up on screen here, but you get the feeling for it. Again, same specs as a OnePlus 8T. So you got a Snapdragon 765, 5G, you know, beautiful 1080p 120 hertz display, AMOLED, of course. Still making some sounds. There's also this cool case here, so check that out. Let's see if we can put it on here. I guess it goes like that, since the buttons. Ta-da! That's it with the case on. So this protects the glass a little bit, but not fully. And it does raise a little bit past the camera bump, so it'll protect that as well. Cool. Well, anyway, folks, I'm not setting this up, but I wanted to show you the Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition OnePlus 8T from China. Pretty cool stuff. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends, click on the notification bell below and comment below. Let me know if you are a big fan of the game or not. I'd love to know. Would you still buy this even though it doesn't have Google Play services in China, if you're a big fan? Or is this just a gimmick to you? Let me know in the comments. And of course, please subscribe to the podcast because I've reviewed the OnePlus 8T there before. It's mobiletechpodcast.com or on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Casts, and Spotify. So no excuse not to subscribe. We can also be found where all good podcasts live. So check us out. And that's it, folks. I'll have another video soon. Until then, cheers, everybody.